Frued Psychosexual Stages of Development. Freud has described psychosexual development of personality under different headings. First one, oral stage. Second one, anal stage. Third one, phallic stage. Fourth one, latency stage. And fifth one, genital stage. Oral stage, it starts from 0 to 2 years. During the first year of life, the mouth is the principal organ. So, the infant achieves gratification through oral activities such as feeding, thumb sucking, bubbling, etc. So, the oral stage means it starts from 0 to 2 years and mouth is the principal organ here. So, the child is achieve gratification by thumb sucking or feeding or the bubbling. Okay, that is known as the oral stage. Next stage is anal stage. Anal stage is 2 to 3 years. So in the anal stage, the anal membrane provides pleasure to the child. So here the child learns to respond to some of the demands of the society, especially the bowel and bladder control earns this age group. So here the membranes of the anal region provide pleasure to the child. Not passing fecal matter also gives pleasure to the child. So the child is ready to get toileting during this period. So bowel and bladder control training is started in anal stage, that is 2 to 3 years. Next stage is phallic stage. Phallic stage, it starts from 3 to 6 years. And self manipulation of genital organs are there in this phallic stage. The child also identifies the group to which he belongs. What is the difference between him and his younger sister? So, in phallic stage, the child learns to realize the difference between males and females and become aware of the sexuality. In this stage, the male child attracted to the mother, that is known as Oedipus complex, and the girl child, she is attracted to the father, that is known as the Electra complex. So the two name that comes under phallic stage is Oedipus complex and the Electra complex, that is the infant attracted to the opposite sex. In case of males, it is Oedipus complex. In case of female child, that is Electra complex. Next one, latency stage. Latency stage means it starts from 6 to 12 years. This is a stage of psychosexual development when an overt sexual interest is repressed and sublimated. So here the sexual interest will be repressed or suppressed manner. The child attention is focused on learning skills and other peer activities. The child has a group of same sex and the child concentrated on learning activities. And in latency stage, it is from 7 to 11 years, and this child continues his or her development, but sexual urges are relatively quiet here, and the child focus mainly in the learning skills and other peer activities. Next one, genital stage. Genital stage, this is the final stage of psychosexual development according to the Frued. Here the person is reached in puberty when the deepest feeling of pleasure are said to come from heterosexual relationship. So here the genital stage, here the person starts to enjoy the heterosexual relationship. The growing adolescent shake off old dependencies and learns to deal maturely with the opposite sex. So these all are the five stages of psychosexual development. First one, oral stage. Here the mouth is the principal organ. Next one, anal stage. In anal stage, the uh, membrane, anal membrane is the pleasure area. In phallic stage, the child identifies the difference between his sex and other sex, male and female difference he identified, and here there is Electra and Oedipus complex. Next is the latency stage. Here the sexual drive will be very quiet, and here the child focus on learning new skills. Next one, genital stage. Here the person is mature and he enjoys the heterosexual relationship. So that is the Frued's psychosexual stages of development. Thank you.